We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Welcome back to our channel. And as you can see, even in December, it's absolutely beautiful here in Sicily. And here we're in Lido di Noto, but anyway, more of that later on. Crispy morning. We're going out to buy a few things. Cold but sunny. So we went out to do some Christmas shopping, and I also picked up these lovely terracotta pots together with these long cream candles and a little bit of moss. I saw this arrangement in an interior designer's home, and I really loved it, and I thought, why not do this now for the Christmas period? Also because we are not putting up the Christmas tree this year because we're not spending Christmas in Sicily. So this week we just wanted a really relaxing, cozy week to spend at home before we leave. We needed to catch up on a few DIYs that were waiting for us, and here we are, Massi doing the wall. He is nearly finishing. All he has to do now is put the gate on, and I need to find a plant that will grow over this gate, which will make it look pretty. We then decided to take a little bit of a break and go and visit a Roman villa nearby. On our way to the villa, we decided to stop off at this little seaside town called Calabernardo. Absolutely tiny, but very sweet. There was a sea museum, this building that you see right in front of you, but unfortunately it was closed and it is only open on the weekend. Nevertheless, we still had a wonderful time just taking a slow stroll along the coastline and enjoying the beautiful weather that December has given us. Back on the road towards the Roman villa, again something else caught our attention, and it was this abandoned masseria, huge and absolutely beautiful. We finally reached the Roman villa and we were pleasantly surprised. In the 1970s, mosaics were discovered by chance below the floor of a farmyard stable, which was built between the 18th and the 19th century. They were found by treasure hunters who subsequently tried to remove and sell them on the black market. Fortunately, the Italian financial police, La Guardia di Finanza, which had been alerted to suspicious nocturnal activities around the deserted farm, promptly intervened and rescued the mosaics. It was discovered that the modern farm had been built precisely on the footprint of a villa dating back to the late Roman Empire, around the second half of the 4th century AD, located near the Tellaro River. Oh, yes.
The elbow.
Oh, dear.
We left the elbow behind.
Somebody left their elbow behind. Oh, wow. So you come out onto this bridge where obviously all the mosaic is, I think. Wow.
These are called the Hector mosaic.
Incredible. Wow.
Must have taken them so long to make them.
The mosaics are full of laurel wreaths framing medallions decorated with geometric motifs. Octagonal medallions with concave sides fill the voids between the laurel wreaths, forming a continuous pattern with bright colors, brilliantly mastered chromatic variations, giving the pattern depth. A tiger, a leopard, and antelope frames with garlands of leaves and flowers, theatrical masks, ancient Greek gods, Ulysses, Achilles, Diomedes. Aquatic birds alternating with swastika figures. A female figure representing Africa sits on a rock surrounded by trees, horses tied to trees, servants pouring wine and water to wash hands, some preparing food, all of us in front of our eyes. I would highly recommend this place if you're into history, and it would be a place that you could stop off maybe on your way to Noto or coming back from Noto and you're going to Siracusa, a beautiful place to stop off and visit. It was a cold morning and we wanted something nice and warm and hearty to warm us up. So I had some beans, some borlotti beans, and we bought some fresh sausage. We have done this recipe in one of our videos before. But I thought we would just have this because it keeps us really nice and warm. So I quickly made this lovely pasta dish for lunch. I personally prefer to have pasta at lunchtime rather than in the evenings because I think it's quite heavy in the evenings. But Italians are quite famous at having pasta at really late at night, even sometimes at midnight.
Ready, Mas?
Right, I'm almost done on the way. Give me a second.
Yep.
I remember my grandmother serving a first course pasta meal and then a second course as well. We don't tend to do that. Actually, we do either one or the other for lunch and then for dinner. But how about you guys? Do you have first and second course for lunch and dinner, or do you do what we do?
Pasta cooks in a second. It's not like
Oh, mi è caduto il
Te ne prendo altre, viola. Ok, te le metto qua.
3, 4,
Qua ce n'è un'altra, viola.
5, 6.
E qua ce n'è subito un'altra.
Posso un po' io, Mattia?
Sì, aspetta.
Alcune sono grosse, alcune sono così e così.
medie. Però solo una dolce, vero?
Sì.
E basta. Ok, non male, non male.
So while I took my grandson for a bingo evening with his friends, Viola and I stayed at home and did some Christmas decorations. She's extremely artistic and she loves to put all her artistic flair in everything that she does.
Yeah, we thought we'd take a drive today and just come look at a few sites. We've been here before.
Yeah, where are we?
We're in the beach of Noto.
Lido di
Noto
Noto.
for some. And yeah, we just took a drive today. It's the last few days in Siracusa before we go to Rome. We're going to Rome.
Yeah, we're leaving on the 24th.
Yeah, we're going to spend Christmas in Rome.
We're not actually in the center of Rome. We're in a place called Ronciglione, which is a beautiful medieval town, village. And we'll be filming from there next week, which is really exciting.
Yeah, we're going to be with my family, my side of the
Yes.
family. Got a lot of relatives all together, so
We're gonna have
see
a
my
beautiful,
boys and everyone else.
yeah, we're gonna have a beautiful Christmas all together with Massie's side of the family.
Yeah.
So on that note, we just want to thank you so much for following, watching our videos. Thank you.
Welcome to the new subscribers.
Yeah, welcome to the new subscribers. We are really grateful. We love all your messages, and
Merry Christmas to you all. Hope
Buon
you all
Natale.
spend a beautiful Christmas with your family and friends.
yeah,
Eat a lot, because we always do. I don't know about you guys, but yeah.
yeah,
Enjoy your food, enjoy your resting time off from work. I'm sure some people are working, some people are at home.
absolutely, yeah.
Have a lovely time. Auguri, buon Natale a tutti. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you again for watching this week's video. Thank you for liking, subscribing and commenting. Have a wonderful Christmas and see you next week with a brand new one. Alla prossima. Ciao ciao.